Two flying radars, 42 years apart. Let's compare. Behold, the pride of Russia, the flying eye. No analogs in the world.
Radar Shmel. Best in the world.
Crew of 15. 14 are sleeping.
Captain, something is there, probably.
Meanwhile, in 2026.
Contact. Mainstay. Sector 7.
Logged.
Russia rises from knees.
Literally.
Import substitution. 100% Russian.
2026. The navigator in a glass nose, like World War II. This is real.
We can do it again.
Maintenance time. 40 minutes.
Everything is going according to plan.
Filter active. Targets clear.
Normal operation.
Officially called. Unscheduled unloading.
The Shmel M modernization is almost complete. Soon she will be flying again, better than new.
Tactical regrouping.
Also known as crashing.
The area scan is clear. We'll maintain orbit here until the extraction team confirms pickup.
42 years of difference.
Oh, you too? We haven't even started yet.